Hey Courtney, what do you think is the best sounding machine in this showroom right now?
The V85 Strata.
What do you think is the best sounding machine in this showroom?
Gonna have to go with the Aprilia RSV4 or the Tuono over there.
Is the best sounding machine in this showroom?
250 two-stroke.
Two-stroke? The 250? All right. Let's check that out. What is the best sounding machine unit in this showroom?
Oh,
Right now.
It has to be the Polaris.
The Polaris?
Yeah, the Sportsman.
Sportsman? All right.
Yeah, that's got to.
Let's check. What is the best sounding unit that we have at our showroom floor?
I don't know, I'm
Think
really
real
in love with
hard.
that Vulcan.
The Vulcan?
The
All right.
Vulcan.
What is the best sounding machine unit in this showroom? Okay, all right. This one got two in there already. You and